Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my ICAD series, ICAD index card today, and I am on day number 24. Whew, thank you guys for staying along and sticking out and checking out these videos just to see what the prompt is and what we did and what we created. You can also check out Lisa's channel, Little Miss Scrappy, Miss Little Scrappy, and you can check out her channel as well because she's showing hers. Anyway, so today's prompt is a scripture. So I dug into my stamps and I found this Inky Addict stamp, and it's the one I chose is going to be Proverbs 3:6. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will direct your paths. And I'm going to stamp this out first and foremost, and then I'm going to color it, and we will go from there. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. This is the first time using these stamps. I love polymer stamps. I love the way they smell. My friends think I'm crazy, but I love the way they smell. Especially when it's a strong one. Nice impression for the first time ever being stamped. Not bad at all. I think I'm going to stamp this several times to make it look like a brook, like going down the stream, I guess. That's what I want to do. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit more ink up here. Then I'm going to move that stamp. I am going to lay it right here. So again, the index card today, for anybody who's just joining in, is just a 3x5 or 4x6 index card that you decorate. You typically do it for at least 30 days. That's just to get you in your craft room, making sure that you're creating and you're crafting every single day for at least a month. A lot of times they often do it for 2 months. We're just doing it for the month of September. And I think I'm going to let's see. I think I'm going to do it backwards this way. Yep. Try something different. Just trying to connect it. Just to take up the space. Must be too thick over here to. Alrighty. Just trying to make it look like a little pathway. Doesn't necessarily have to make full sense, but that's what I'm doing. And then I think I want to just have this right gray here. And then I am going to color this, and I will come back after I color it and show you the final project. I'm going to go around the edge and just color this. I'm not sure what I'm going to color it with yet, but this is archival ink, so I'm going to let that dry and we should be good. So I'll be right back. So I am back, and I have colored everything in with my Spectrum Noir markers. I even used my Spectrum Noir, Spectrum Noir glitter pen, which is like your Wink of Stella, to cover up the stones, just to get a little sheen to it. And that is my final reveal. I don't know if you can see a little bit of it in there in the stones, but they're shimmery. And again, it says, in all the ways acknowledge him and he should direct your paths. Proverbs 3:6. The prompt was scripture. That's my scripture, and that's my pathway. God will direct your path. And so if you'd like to play along, hashtag 757 ICAD challenge. If you like the prompt list, you can email me. My information is always below. If you want to see an up-close personal picture of this, check out my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1. And hopefully you'll be able to play along and just try some of the prompts and just try your hand at making an ICAD, or trying to do them every day for 30 days and challenge yourself, even if you don't use the prompts, to stay in your craft room for 30 consecutive days. It is a challenge with life and other things going on, but it's been fun. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, and God bless. Bye-bye.